They're cooks. Not today though. Sean's cooking. Supervising.
Taking a picture of the temperature.
There we are going to track Mike's bear.
The one, but we left one sitting in. Oh, well, we should take that blood there. Right there. Oh, that's right there. Okay, move up a little bit, John.
Yeah, just there's 2 or 3 forks there. Just kind of, he's right where you're standing.
Right,
so it's just a matter of which way you want. Yeah.
Well, there's blood here.
Blood there. Might have circled and headed out a different way then. Are you assessing the situation?
Found a tree for your tree climber there, John. Should be swinging out. That's want to make sure everybody's out of the bush before we head that way.
Well, it's spitting some snow here. We're in Alberta, Canada. And the guys that are left are out on bait here tonight. And here's Sean here.
Lovely snow.
It is. It was snowing more. I took a shower in a snowstorm. It was 70 something the other day. So hopefully guys get bears tonight. They've been pretty slow, but it's just been
Wind and
weird.
weather up and down.
Yep.
It's hunting.
It's hunting. They'll still get some bears yet. Alright, we waited 30 seconds. Now it's really snowing.
Santa Claus.
And Santa Claus shows up. Look at that. It snows a little bit. And he did bring me a gift. It was on my pillow. I got a little sewing kit. He didn't show up at the house.
Yeah. The weather's screwing around with you.
Where's the reindeer at?
I got him out in the pasture.
Alright. The elves are taking care of him. He's at bear camp taking care of us.
You know, I brought one of my elves with me just to...
Yep.
Ho, ho, ho.
It's true. Walking on stilts. Not shirt sleeve weather anymore, is it?
Not even close. Not even close.
See what's behind him? It is snowing. Greg and Marty are missing the snowstorm.
Yeah, you're good there.
Starting to stick on the trees and
Hey.
Like a bear in a cave.
Just what I might be doing out on the street tonight.
I was in there last night trying to...
Hey Tom, tell us what happened last night. They finally seen a bear, or a couple.
Yeah. Been a long week. Being a stupid cheesehead, I was trying to get that big one, and I sat on the same stand for 6 days trying to get that big chocolate that was coming in there. Never saw a bear, so I just changed my scenery last night. pretty decent night. Had a couple of bears. I could have tagged out if I wanted to. Matter of fact, this one gave him a lot of chances to leave, but he kept coming back and talking to me. So I decided to drop him. Saw a wolf last night too. It was a good night. It was a lot of fun.
Yeah, and this one has a white patch on it.
Yeah, very happy with the.
What you got there, John?